YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
Today we are reviewing the Yamaha HS5s. We already did an unboxing on this channel, but I've been sitting with them for a couple months, and it's been nice.
Yes. Real shit.
Ladies, you got 10 minutes. Sour. Pump up the champ.
What up, YouTube?
What's up?
It's Jam back with another episode of Jam Recommends. Yo, it's so funny. If you pay attention now, just you'll realize that we came up with that name over the course of whatever.
Anyway,
yeah. Jam Recommends. Today we're talking about the Yamaha HS5s. These are studio monitors. No, not monitors like this. I don't even kind of see it. Like my computer monitor back there.
You can't see the computer monitor.
You can see it, kind of. You can see all those icons from my messy desktop.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, you can see that. Yep. So, not a monitor like that. These are like sound monitors.
Yep.
If you are going to work on music, production, sound design, blase, you can't just use speakers because they do not give you the full frequency of what you're really hearing. For instance, since I started using these, Josh will listen to some of his music. This is supposed to be his talking point, but I kind of looked at him. He wasn't ready, so I'm taking his talking point.
Ready for
No, but seriously, these things, I'll go over some of the features soon. I used to have the KRK Rocket 5s, which are very popular. A lot of people use them. You've seen them in every studio, the yellow cones.
I feel like I have one here.
You might. Nah, I think you brought it.
No, it's home.
But yeah. So but those also had a lot of low end for me, a little too much low end. So when I would go check my mixes, there would be not enough bass or too much bass. There was a problem. So I got these, and honestly, I have never looked back. First of all, they match my black and white aesthetic, which I like. Also, they got a couple things back here for like room control, trimming and everything like that. I don't want to mess with it too much because I have it set for my room. But especially in a big room like this where it's not fully sound treated, things like this help a lot.
Nice. No, I don't have much experience with these speakers except for the fact that, like Murph was alluding to earlier, I always tease him about it, but like I would hear songs, and he'll be blasting the same songs we've heard like many times, dozens of times, and I would pick up on different like instruments. Me being a drummer, like I'm doing that anyway. I'm deciphering that in my head anyway. But it's just very, very, very crispy. These speakers are lit, and I do understand why he got compared to the last ones he had. I do understand why he got these.
They're a little more like boom. Those ones are boomy. These ones are a little more crispy,
Yeah, and you get the boom though. You get the booms. You get the.
Bow, bow, bow.
No, I'm saying no. You do get the booms though. This does have a lot of low end.
We spent about a month at a good friend of ours audio engineer studio, and just for reference, every time he did a mix he would use my speakers.
And we had and it was an audio studio.
Yeah, he has very good speakers as well, but
put that right there, put that joint right there. Why Nice.
These things are such good shape.
Nice. There you go.
So these things run you about $300 brand new for the pair.
That is super. Come on, man, budget friendly, cuz.
That's pretty cheap. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was pretty cheap. It's just there where it's like you're like, oh, like kind of,
Yeah.
I almost bought them used. There are a lot of used options online because they're a very popular speaker. But
if you know, you know.
If you know, you know. But I'm really glad I didn't buy them used. If you watch our product review, our unboxing of this, linked in the cards up top, I was very happy when I unboxed them. I saw how smooth they are. Actually, right now I'm seeing a little scratch right here that is bothering the crap out of me. Must have been during moving. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
This must have been when you've been flying this one all around over here,
This guy. Anyway, these are really good looking speakers. They are definitely matching the aesthetic you have at your studio for the most part.
Even for us, because we tend to do a lot of black and white and then just add color to it like this. But like if you look in our set, it's really just black, and white.
Yeah, yep.
Black and white. I love it. I love these things. I can't recommend them enough. Make sure you use balanced cables or you're gonna get a little bit of a buzz, which is what I have right now.
Yep.
You hear the buzz. The buzz. And these things freaking bump. Right now I have the knob only turned half because I'm trying to be courteous for my neighbors, but I don't know how long that's gonna last. These things bump. But yeah, I highly recommend them. $300, very budget friendly. You can do a little shopping around. You'll probably find that most people will also recommend these. Yamaha, I mean, hey, if you go, I walked to the Yamaha store and I was like, hey man, I need speakers, I need a motorcycle. And they were
And
like,
a drum set.
And they were like, dude, you came to the right place. You're not gonna believe this.
Yeah, and a refrigerator.
Yo, everything.
Refrigerator.
Yamaha, I feel like my grandma was born in Yamaha. Or it was, no, it's a word, it's a name like that. It's like Kawasaki or something like that, bro. I swear.
Yamaha?
No, it's like so close. It's like, might be Suzuki. Ah, goddamn. Anyway.
All right.
I swear to God.
I'm not gonna comment on all that, but I know where your grandmother was yesterday. I'll just get
Hey, yo.
She was calling me because you need to tell your grandmother and your mothers to call us. We appreciate you being a part of another video. If you end up buying these speakers, make sure you use
our affiliate code in the description. There is an affiliate link, so we do get a little bit of a kickback, just so you guys know. Help out the channel, support any way that you can.
If you support us, and you need these joints, just get them to me.
If you got a boyfriend who's working on a mixtape for the past like 5 years and nothing's really doing that well, maybe he just needs to listen to him on these. Just buy him these. The PS5, come on, save $200. Buy him these, advance his career.
Unless your boyfriend has any intention on like gaming,
true,
like for some money or something like that, but then that's just an excuse for a lot of dudes. But if you see him buying like a microphone and a camera and a webcam and trying to go live, and then that's different.
These babies are nice. They're $300 on Amazon, but if you want to buy mine, I'll sell them to you for $1,000.
It'll be in the description down below.
The eBay link right below.
It's lit. Thank you guys.
Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Jam Recommends.
Peace out.